In this video, we will learn how to create a standing Ghibli photo. We will go to this website. Then open an account on the site and log in. Click on AI photo to Ghibli. Click on upload your photo button. Now upload your photo. Click on the generate button. Click on the download standard button. So you can see that the quality of this photo is very low. Let's make this photo high quality. We will go to this site. Click on upscaler. Click on the upload image button. Upload the photo. You can see that the photo has become high quality. Now click on the download button. Thanks for watching the video.